Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to take the same Google slide and upload it into Seesaw in 4 different ways. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it as a PDF, how to publish to the web and then upload it, how to use the ending preview question mark RM equals minimal to load it, and then how to load it so that your students can actually edit the Google slide. The most important thing, you want to make sure in your share setting that it is set to anyone on the internet with this link can view. So that's the first thing you should start with. Now, the first way I'm going to show you is how to download it as a PDF. I have a Google slide of weekly assignments for my students. Okay, so if they click on Monday, it'll take them to the Monday's agenda. If they click on Friday, it'll take them to Friday's agenda. And on the agenda itself, there are also links. So if there's a video I want them to watch, if they click on it, it'll take them to the video that I'm trying to load for them to watch. Okay. The first way I'm going to show you to get it into Seesaw is to upload it as a PDF. You would go to File, Download, and then PDF. It'll save it either on your desktop or for me, it saves it down here. Okay, once it's saved, I'm going to go into Seesaw. I've already created my activity. Okay, so number one, PDF, I've already created that activity. So I'm just going to edit it right now because nothing else is in there. You would put in all your directions. And then in the instructions, that's where I would want to add my PDF. I'm going to upload that and just drag it in there. And now this is uploaded. Let me check. This is uploaded into my Seesaw activity. Okay. So you'll notice that in this activity, so if I go back to my activity library, let me show you. Okay. Here's the assignment for uploading it the PDF way. You'll see there are 6 pages. So all 6 pages are actually in here. Okay. So the students can actually just scroll like this to the 6 pages, and these links do work. Now I'm going to show you the second way. Okay. The second way is I'm taking the exact same document. I am going to go to File, and I'm going to come down to Publish to the web. So I'm going to publish it to the web, and then you can play with whatever settings you want. And I'm just going to say Publish. Okay, are you sure you want to publish? Okay. Now it gives you a link. Okay, for me, I am on my MacBook, so I would say Command C to copy this link right here. Go to Seesaw and publish to the web. Let me edit that. And same thing in the instructions. I am going to hit link this time. And I'm just going to Control V, which is paste that link that it just gave me. And now it will be done. Save. Okay. So when I go to this activity, my students would hit the link, and then they would be able to go to Monday, and then the Monday agenda would come up. Okay. So that's the second way. Now the third way is to take the share link, say I want it to come up as a presentation. I would just say, take the share link, anyone on the internet can view, copy link, and it's kind of the same as the previous way that I just showed you. Okay. Except that I'm going to make a little change to it. So you'll see what I'm changing. So I'm going to go to instructions, go to link. This time when I put in the link, you see the ending right here? I'm going to change this ending where edit question mark and so forth, because I don't want my students to edit it. I just want it to come up as a presentation view without the sidebar so that my students can click on the active links. So I'm going to change it to preview question mark RM equals minimal. Check. Now this time when my kids click on it, it comes up just like as if I had published it to the web, exactly the same. Okay. There it comes. And then again, I can click on the link. Here's Thursday's agenda. Okay. So that's another way that you can do it. Now I'm going to show you the fourth way. Okay, so let's pretend I am giving this to my students, but I actually want them to make some edits on it. So let's pretend we're letting the students be in charge for a day or something. And I want them to actually make changes on my document. Okay, what I would do is I would just go to the share setting, copy the link. Okay. This time when I take it into Seesaw and upload it in the instructions as a link, I would keep this link, edit question mark USP equals sharing. I would keep it because I want my students to actually be able to change it. Okay, so let me check. Save. Okay, so this time when I click on it, I'm going to click on it right now. So my students would click on the link, and this time they would be able to make changes. Okay, so I just added a page. So just so we know, let's write on it. Page added. Now I am going to get out of here. So I'm out of Seesaw. And then when I come to the file, you'll see my student made changes on that page. So any student that adds anything to this page, we will all automatically see it, okay, as well. So these are all the different ways that you can upload the same slide into Seesaw. If you uploaded it into Seesaw as a PDF, any changes you've made after you uploaded it as a PDF into Seesaw, students will not be able to see. That's the one drawback of uploading your Google slide as a PDF. Okay. But any of the other three ways, you're fine. If you find spelling errors or if you want to add a sentence later on, you don't have to actually change it in Seesaw. As long as you change it in your original document, it'll show up when the kids go to the link. Well, I hope that you learned something today and you found at least one way that will serve your purpose when you are uploading your Google slide for your students into Seesaw. Have a good day.